never been harder to get people's attention. Businesses aren't just competing on products or services, they're competing for time and focus. Every day, your clients are bombarded with thousands of messages, emails, ads, social media posts. In an attention economy, people's focus is limited and they tune out anything that doesn't seem relevant. There are 3 ways to stand out in a crowded market. First, make it clear and quickly. If people can't tell who you help and why in 5 seconds, they'll move on. Second, be consistent. Whether on social media, email, or in person, showing up regularly builds familiarity. And third, provide value. Agencies that educate and solve problems rather than just sell earn attention and trust. And one more thing, the businesses that thrive in the attention economy aren't the loudest. They're the ones that connect in meaningful ways. If your message is clear, consistent, and valuable, people will notice. And they'll remember your agency when they need coverage.